Hold on, fuck out of here, because we gotta have a conversation here. Dear YouTube, what the hell's going on your platform, dog? Don't get me wrong, I'm not gonna sit over here hating. I ain't trying to dry snitch, but damn it, somebody gotta talk about it, because I've been suspended for a total of 9 months in my total 7+ years here on YouTube for all kinds of different doggone strikes. Anybody who's been a long-time subscriber of mine, between 2017 and 2019, for 18 straight months, I walked on eggshells having to upload because I had at least 4 strikes on the channel. For 6 months total, I had 5 strikes on the channel at the same time. 3 community guidelines, 2 copyright, and I have warnings on the channel since doggone 2020 that's yet to get removed. That's before warnings was even doggone introduced, right? Basically, the reason why I'm saying this, because somebody sent me an email, told me, yo, you got to talk about YouTube being on some bullshit, because there's a brother on here showing his whole asshole. I said, excuse me, ain't no way, bro. Then I happened to go to this Kevin Leonardo's channel, and I just so happened to see this man shaving his butt live on YouTube.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I wax my ass with a razor.
What? And what the fuck is that smell?
I have never been this disgusted in my entire life.
Now I got the information that I need, and now I have to break your neck. It's just the way it is. I'm just a messenger.
Now, you know what's wild about it? Now, granted, even if things were demonetized, how's the video still up? 25 million views this man got, right? Ain't nothing wrong. I ain't gonna hurt your bag. You go out there, you earn, brother. I don't need nobody who's not gonna be out here making content, unless, of course, he EDP, but we ain't talking about that right now. One way or another, 25 million views. And this ain't the first time that he done showed his asshole. It's the second, at least to my knowledge, because he made a video last year. What?
I cannot believe it!
This is bullshit.
So let me get this straight. YouTube will age restrict this. But here's what the problem I have with it. On numerous different occasions when I was doing my sliding into DM series, for those of you guys who happen to remember it, I never showed any nudity. I never showed anybody's bare asshole. I never showed no doggone nipple. I never did anything of that nature. They took me down, gave me strikes. I have 3 strikes from doggone sliding into DM series. That's the reason why I don't do it no more. For nudity and sexual content, this man got his bare ass. I saw this man's rectal sphincter, and it's the first 3 seconds of the video.
Tell me when I'm telling lies.
Do you understand how age restriction works here on YouTube? Somebody gotta go. If the AI of the YouTube tools happens to believe this is adult content, right? When you go and then you now appeal for them to remove the age restriction, a human who happens to work on staff has to go and review that. Within 3 seconds, this man had his bare asshole on his video, and somehow still YouTube approved it to remain on the platform. It's not about age restriction. It's about you giving out strike. There's people who've been blocked for less. I've been blocked for less. I know numerous different individuals whose channel has been, thrown into limbo, unable to re-access it, unable to upload, had channels terminated behind some goofy ass strikes. But this brother could show his entire doggone asshole behind what? Education? Here's how to shave your asshole, therefore we can see the asshole. If that's the case, let me make this whole video a rebranded. Here's how to shave your ball sack. See, what you want to do is...
We know he has a big black cock.
Of course, I'm not going to shave my scrotum here live on YouTube. I'm going to do it later this evening on Patreon. No, we're not doing that.
So, here's how it looks.
Hey, what? You said what?
Pull over, pull over.
I didn't see it for myself until literally minutes ago. Buddy got his whole asshole numerous times on the video. Somehow it's age restricted, but still able to be up on YouTube.
For reference, this is how hairy my butt is right now.
Nasty bitch.
This don't make sense, bruh. And you know what's even crazy about it? Ads is still running on the video. So somebody getting paid off this. Man's got his butthole on YouTube, the tube of you. And somehow still, the content's still up. I had enough of this hypocrisy, dog. I had enough of this hypocrisy. Anybody who's been a long-time follower of me, subscriber of me, and I'll say it again, between 2017 and 2019, for 18 months, I was walking on eggshells with at least 4 strikes on the channel every single goddamn month, bruh. Every time a new strike got removed, another one happened to pop on. If y'all remember, every damn near 4 or 5 weeks, I'd be gone for a week. Remember, look at my channel. I upload maybe, what, 3, 4, 5 times per week? Oftentimes, it can mess around and be between 5 and 6 times per week. I'm gone for a total of 9 months since I started on YouTube. Collective strikes and suspensions, right? Now, if you take away all of those weeks, how many weeks equals 9 months? Whatever the case is, I could probably have upwards of 100 or approaching 100 additional videos here on the channel. And what makes me the most upset about this entire ordeal is how many times have I been getting momentum and then immediately I get a strike or I get blocked or something of that nature. Every time I happen to hit a great groove is when I run into that doggone roadblock of one of my videos getting taken down on some doggone bullshit. I would have probably already been at 1 million subscribers right now. One way or another, I understand everybody got to go through their peaks and valleys or whatever the case may be, but this man got his whole asshole on YouTube.
So now I'm gonna strip and put this all over my butt cheeks.
No! No! No!
Why?
People been struggling to keep their doggone channels up because of bullshit, because the AI tool or whatever the hell case going on with YouTube, them giving out strikes on some bullshit or false flagging stuff or revenue sharing on stuff that have nothing to do with, fair use, all this other stuff going on. This man got his asshole on YouTube, 25 million views. Still up right now. I might just go down the list and see what other content this man be posting. Because I'm telling you something right now. If he got some sort of, what do they call it, Prince Albert piercing going on. Here's how you pierce your Johnson. You just take the needle.
No bread, no water, just meat.
We'll just age restricted, but it could remain on our doggone platform. This is getting ridiculous. It's really getting ridiculous. Man's got his asshole on YouTube and his video is still up. But us, we got videos on anything, some bitch getting taken down. This is some real bullshit, dog. I got 2 warnings on my channel right now from 2020. They still will never get removed. It's been 3.5 years. They still there.
Tell me when I'm telling lies.
But this man got his bare asshole on YouTube. Let me know who at the staff needs to be dealt with. I shall pay them a visit. That's all I got to say about that. And if it ain't gonna be me, it's gonna be Chris!
Here comes the United States champion, Chris Benoit.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Just do it! Make your dreams come true!
Please! Please!
What are you waiting for, huh?
Oh my god.